Alright, we had to clean these. We had to sand a couple blemishes because there were some spots in them, but we ended up cleaning them, power washing them, cleaning them by hand, and then turning around and using brake parts cleaner and clean them again. That way that they're all completely 100% clean. We're going to start for round one. This is the product that we're going to be using, the new Autodip Gloss Black in a can. I'll let you know how it turns out. We're going to do our first coat. It says to put them on really extremely light per coat. Do like 8 to 10 coats of light coats, and then do a heavy coat afterwards. So that's what we're going to do. Here is one coat on both of these wheels, no coats on these wheels. That way you can kind of see the difference. Here's one full coat, very light coat. And this is the second coat, very light coats. I'll kind of show you the difference. Second coat, first coat. So there's kind of a side by side of first coat and second coat, just light coats. Alright, this is the third coat. And that was the second coat, kind of a little difference. And I'm not putting this on very thick. Alright, this is what the third coat looks like. Actually starting to look out pretty good. I've not put any kind of gloss on it yet. I just keep doing small coats, so it doesn't look bad, but it kind of looks a little grainy and a little textured. But I think it'll look really good once we put the last coat on. Alright, this is about the sixth coat. They're getting shinier the more coats we put on. It does appear to have a lot of shine, even with me not trying to put shine on there. Put it on thick. But they do look pretty good, pretty uniform. It does have a slight texture to it, if you can see, but it usually smooths out a little bit. But the last coat I'm going to put on pretty heavy. The last few coats I'm going to put on pretty heavy to see how good the gloss will hold up. Well, the Autodip decided it was going to explode on the last coat. I'm not sure why it did this. Not too happy with that, to be honest with you, especially after how much you spend on this, but it did turn out good. But I think it could have been better on the last coat if I would have not had to stop spraying because it kept throwing stuff out of the can. But all in all, they do look really good. I might end up buying another can of glossifier, or just another can, since that can kind of started having problems, and see if I can get them just a little bit glossier, but we'll see. Turned out pretty good.
That the entirety of the cosmos is accessible